Welcome back to Shib Kai, everyone. Apple prohibits users from purchasing Shiba Inu coins. According to Coinbase, this is not feasible. In this video, we will discuss how Apple prohibits users from purchasing Shiba Inu coins. Apple wants to charge a 30% fee on any gas fees related to NFT transfers made through the wallet app. For our most recent information on Shiba Inu price predictions and professional analysis, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. Let's see what the price of Shiba Inu does on December 3rd. The price of Shiba Inu displays a surprisingly bullish outlook that may soon spark an explosive move. The price of Shiba Inu is at an inflection point that may lead to an explosive bullish move that may benefit consumers at 35% to 0.00125. There are two factors that make the transfer very likely to happen. The price of the Shiba Inu is currently at $0.00000000933, the monthly support level. Since this barrier can endure 4 unsuccessful tries, there is a good possibility that the ship will take off from here. The Relative Strength Index, a well-liked momentum indicator, increases. Credence to this outlook. Investors should look at the next key hurdle at 0.127 for the Shiba price to retest. This move would constitute a 35% gain. However, flipping the same level into a support floor will open the path for SHIB to tag the 0.22 hurdle. This run-up could represent a 124% gain for investors. This indicator has produced a bullish divergence, which occurs when the momentum increases but the price action does not reflect C. The result of this technical formation is a trend reversal favoring bulls. The 124% predicted increase in price for Shiba Inu is not out of the question, similar to the original meme coins. However, in order for Shiba Inu to rise above the monthly timeframe's 0.933 support level, buyers would likely lose interest in the product and sell it, which would lead to a sell-off. Such a development could drive the price of Shiba Inu to 0.689. In order for SHIB tokens to rise above 10,800,000 from where they were trading last week, they would need to rise above 10,800,000 from where they were trading last week. There are 5 things that need to happen. The most crucial one for SHIB is the impending introduction of Sharon ALAIR to the blockchain, which is intended to drastically reduce transaction fees. Shibainu is an ERC20 token that runs on the Ethereum network. Although Ethereum is a very reliable network, its widespread use tends to cause transaction fees to skyrocket and processing times to lag. Sharon is essential to significantly reducing these costs in order to fund the project's blockchain-based games. Aspirations second, but advancing the first, is the eventual release of games powered by non-fungible tokens. For blockchain-based games, the ability for users to own their works and purchase or sell NFT on markets is essential. Even though developers are almost entirely focused on the eventual launch of Sharon and the potential for SHIB within the metaverse, third Shiba Inu will need to see a significant uptick in merchant acceptance until Sharon is launched and transaction fees are significantly reduced. Until then, these marketplace transactions may be prohibitively expensive. Gaining acceptance from well-known retailers would be an important step towards SHIB's goal of putting a floor beneath its token price. If SHIB is to skyrocket to $1/4, there will need to be a significant amount of coin burn to reduce the estimated 549 trillion outstanding tokens, as per the coin market cap. The creator of Ethereum, the Italian Buterin, deposited over $410 trillion to a dead blockchain address in 2021, thus lowering the amount of money in circulation. According to some scans, Shinu would need a historically high level of support and buzz on social media message boards to moonshot higher than 10,800,000 per in 2023. Supply, a comparable amount of coin burn would almost probably be needed to move the needle in 2023 fifth. And finally, there are almost 1.25 million wallets containing SHIB coins. For the great majority of these people to show support for an asset that demonstrates how potent the fear of losing out can be, they would need to be engaged on social media. Shiinu's burn rate increased by 36% over the course of the last day, with 8,375,655 ships burned, 6 transactions completed in the last 7 days, 126,559 790 ship tokens burned, and 50 transactions completed. This figure is less than the previous week, when 223,00370 SHIB tokens were burned on December 3rd. SHIB was trading at 0.93, slightly down over the course of the last day following a rebound from lows of 0.81 on November 22nd. SHIB has remained in consolidation, with the range tightening as the days pass. This could indicate a move, though the exact timing is yet unknown. In February, Shiba announced its integration with the Italian burger joint. According to a blog post, the DAO model was proposed to allow the community to participate in decision-making. Wells' DAO model was tested during the recent launch of its decentralized organizational group DOG. The daily RSI has flattened, increasing the chances of consolidation ahead of the main move. Community members were given the duty in late November of selecting the finest interior design for the inside of future franchise locations from a sample of 3 proposals provided by the partner design firm Massa Spazio. The DOG model will be used to inform future decisions that are made and submitted to the community. These decisions will cover everything from shop design to franchise locations, menu choices, and packaging. Furthermore, a separate DAO will be used by the Shibu community to determine the optimal use of cash given to ship holders, who will get 15% of future net store revenues. The wallet on Coinbase, you may have noticed that NFT transactions are no longer possible on the iOS version of Coinbase Wallet. This is because Apple blocked the release of our most recent app until we disabled the feature, which the Coinbase Wallet account tweeted on Thursday. The iOS app no longer supports NFT transactions due to Apple's strict new NFT restrictions, which were revealed in October. Even though they aren't technically prohibited, NFTs are subject to a high 30% transaction fee on Apple's mobile app store. If developers can't comply with that, their apps will be withdrawn from the store. Standard based on Coinbase claims that Apple's request to charge a 30% fee on any gas fees, such as those related to Ethereum network transactions and non-fungible token transfers made through the wallet app, is impractical. Anyone familiar with blockchain and non-fungible token operations would readily see that this is not conceivable, and even if we wanted to, we couldn't comply because Apple's proprietary in-purchase mechanism doesn't handle cryptocurrency. Every action a user takes on the Ethereum network incurs a fee called gas, which is more complex than a flat rate and outside the control of a single entity. This fee is imposed even when a user is transferring an asset, such as an NFT, to a different wallet. The price of gas, expressed in GUI, but paid for in ETH, fluctuates based on Ethereum network activity and a smart contract's code's efficacy. Additionally, more seasoned customers have the option to spend more to advance their transactions along the list. Coinbase has been enraged by these constraints on its mobile application, compares Apple's actions to the company's desire to collect fees for each email sent across open internet protocols. The controversial in-app purchase tax implemented by Apple has angered many cryptocurrency supporters, including Tim Sweeney, CEO of Epic Games, who filed a lawsuit against the company's policies and said that the tech giant must be stopped. Former YouTube executive Ryan Wyatt, who is currently CEO of Polygon Studios, has taken a similar stance and declared Apple's 30% tax to be illegal. A monopoly in the industry will always impede technological progress. The wealthy CEO of Twitter, Elon Musk, had previously voiced concerns that Apple will take Twitter off of its stores. That concludes today. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to view our most recent stuff. Musk later met with Apple CEO Tim Cook on Wednesday, and Cook allegedly allayed Musk's worries.